Use the factor theorem and synthetic division to determine whether the second polynomial is a factor of the first. We have 5x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 9x squared plus 14x plus 14, and we have x plus 2. We want to know if x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So is that? Well, the polynomial x minus k is a factor of the polynomial f of x if and only if f of k is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what is k. Okay, well, we know that we have x plus 2, and x plus 2 is the same thing as x minus a negative 2. And so therefore, we know that k is equal to negative 2. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and then use synthetic division. So we have negative 2 as our value of k. And then we're going to plug in the coefficients of each term. So we have 5, 3, negative 9, 14, and 14. Okay, now there aren't any missing terms, so we don't have to worry about any placeholders. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring down the 5. Negative 2 times 5 is going to give us negative 10. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. Negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14. Okay, and 14 minus 9 is 5. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. 14 minus 10 is positive 4. Negative 2 times 4 gives us negative 8. And 14 minus 8 gives us 6. So what does that tell us? Well, that tells us the following. That tells us that we have a remainder of 6. So f of negative 2 is equal to 6, which means that there is a remainder. And if there's a remainder, then we would say that x plus 2 is not a factor of that polynomial. So let's go ahead and answer this question here. So we would say no, and there is our result.